Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2017 Nissan Armada maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here, the info, the scroller, and the scroller is also act as an enter, and we're going to be looking at the screen right on top of it. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. That's double tapping it if you have the button, and turn it to the second position if you have the key. And as you can see, engine oil maintenance due. So go ahead and press OK on the screen. Now go ahead and hit the info. Go ahead and scroll down to maintenance. Enter on that. Scroll down to oil, engine oil. Enter on engine oil. And you can also adjust that mileage. Currently we are doing the 3,000, so we're gonna stay there. If not, then you can go ahead and adjust it to whatever you want, 5, 10, or what have you. You go ahead and scroll down to reset display distance. Reset that, and now go back. You're also gonna have to reset the oil filter. Now go ahead and click on back up here. Go down to oil filter, enter on that. Scroll down to reset distance, enter on that. There you go, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.